Oh, it's getting in my nose.
Hi beautiful people, welcome back to another video. My name is Cavell, and if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. For all my returning subscribers, welcome back. So today I have an exciting video. Well, I was supposed to be recording my skincare routine video today. However, the products, they haven't gotten to me as yet, so I just really didn't want to wait. This particular product was sent to me by Duvolle. It was the Radiance SpinCare system. I was ecstatic when they reached out to me to try this product. So they did send it to me for free. However, that does not mean that I'm not going to give you my honest opinion when it comes to this particular product. Previously I did have a spin brush, or like just a little spin brush, but it only had like one single head, and I got it through like I think it was Proactive that I got it, and I only ordered that system just so I could get a hold of the little face brush. However, it really just, the one brush, it was very soft, it didn't do much. The great thing about this, it has 4 different interchangeable accessories. So what we'll do is we're gonna start by unboxing this, and then after we'll head into my bathroom and then we'll test these out. Okay, so in the package, what you will receive, let me open it up. Okay, so that's what it looks like once I open that up. And then, so there is 4 interchangeable accessories. So starting with the top one, so the top one is the pumice or pumice stone, however you want to pronounce it. So this one you use for like your elbows, your knees, as well as the bottom of your feet, so your soles, so to get that nice and soft. So this large one right here in the middle, so this one is the body brush. So this one, you know, just like exfoliates your body and just help to bring out that inner glow. And then for the facial brushes, so there's 2 facial brushes. And then you can definitely tell the difference of each of them just by actually feeling them. And just by feeling it, I can off the bat tell you that this one is the cleansing brush. So the bristles are a little bit softer, just to help to clean the pores, remove any excess dirt or oil or makeup. So it definitely takes that off better than your average just washcloth. And I'm always wearing makeup and I do have oily skin, so this I think is going to be perfect for me. The other brush, this one is the exfoliating brush, and as well this one will help to exfoliate your skin, remove any dead skins. And for me, I get a lot of like dry spots as well as like whiteheads along the bottom of my chin. It also came with an instruction pamphlet, so that just gives you just some information on the different brushes as well as the units. It also provides you with some cleansing and storage instructions, so you do definitely want to make sure that you're cleansing your brushes after each use, as well as you're store it in a cool place. Okay, so for the handheld system, it's pretty lightweight. I like how that feels in my hand. It's pretty sturdy. So it just has a little on and off like little things right there. And then just to open it, you're just going to be pushing down. In my case, I'll pull because I'm very weak. And it does take 4 AA batteries. So I'm going to get my batteries and then install that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop my little cleansing brush on there. And this is how easy it is to just pop that on. That's it, and it's on there. 1 click to put it in, and then a click to take it out. And that's it. 1. Okay, and the most exciting part about this whole thing is that I've gotten you guys 70% off. Yes, that's right, 70% off. So if you head to Duvolle.com, or what I'll do is I'll have a link in my description where you can click on the link to go directly to the SpinCare system, and the code that you can put in is Machiavelli. So MACKAVELI. The code will also be in the description box as well as it should be on the screen as well. So if you want to purchase your own SpinCare system, again, just click the link in my description and then just put in the code Machiavelli, and that's going to give you 70% off. Of course, I got you. Okay, so we are back and I am in my bathroom. So I currently have the fine cleansing brush on. I'm gonna use my little Biotherm cleansing gel along with that. Okay, so now that I have my face wet and then I wet the brush, I'm just gonna add my little cleanser on here. So what you want to do is you want to put the brush on your face first before you turn it on, and then that's just going to eliminate any spillage. I was popping a little bit more on. Whoa. Oh, it's getting in my nose. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash my face off right now, and then I'm pretty sure I may test out the exfoliating brush. Okay. And honestly, my face feels squeaky clean. I can't lie, like it just feels so soft. Okay, so my face just feels so smooth. I just don't know if I should go ahead and exfoliate. But you know what? I'm just gonna use my little St. Ives thing here because I do have a Biotherm like milk exfoliator. But I don't know where that is at this present moment. So for exfoliating, again, we're gonna pop that on there. And then I'm gonna give it a little bit of water, get my face a little wet. Okay, so let me just pop it on with my hands, and then we'll go in with the brush. Now I'm just gonna wash this off my face and we're gonna come right back. Okay, so now I'm just gonna be applying a little bit of moisturizer to my face, and I'm just using my little Clinique little moisturizer. Like honestly, like my skin just feels so soft. Does it look like it's glowing? So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm excited to continue using this product and just see what it does for my skin. And then I will also be coming back to you guys with my updated skincare routine. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.